I recently upgraded my business's security infrastructure with the 32-channel security camera system featuring a 4K 32CH PoE NVR and 8TB storage, and I couldn't be more satisfied. This robust system offers a comprehensive solution for ensuring the safety of my premises while providing peace of mind. Installation was surprisingly straightforward, thanks to the Power over Ethernet (PoE) technology, which eliminates the need for additional power sources for each camera. The included NVR, network video recorder, allows for seamless integration of all 32 cameras, making it easy to monitor multiple angles and locations in real time. The 4K resolution is a game changer, delivering crystal clear images that enhance visibility even in low-light conditions. This level of detail is essential when identifying faces or license plates. One of the standout features of this system is the 8 terabytes of storage, which accommodates extensive video footage without the need for constant maintenance. The NVR's user-friendly interface simplifies footage retrieval, allowing me to review incidents quickly. The motion detection feature works flawlessly, sending real-time alerts to my smartphone when any activity is detected, making it easier to respond to potential security threats promptly. Additionally, the camera design is discreet yet functional, blending seamlessly into the environment while still maintaining a high level of surveillance capability. The weather-resistant features ensure that the cameras can withstand the elements, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. One minor downside is that the initial investment may seem steep, particularly for smaller businesses. However, considering the high-quality video surveillance and the peace of mind it brings, I believe it is a worthwhile investment. In conclusion, the 32-channel security camera system is an outstanding choice for businesses looking to enhance their security measures. With excellent video quality, reliable storage, and ease of use, this system is a must-have for any serious business owner committed to protecting their assets. Highly recommended.